The steampunk city watch maintains order in a metropolis powered by gears and steam. Their vigilance ensures the delicate balance of technology and society remains undisturbed. The watch faces a new threat, a series of sabotages targeting the city's vital infrastructure. A mysterious figure known only as the Tinkerer seeks to plunge the metropolis into chaos. Constantine dispatches his best officer, Serafina, to investigate the sabotages. Her mechanical augmentations make her uniquely suited to the task. Serafina discovers a hidden message left by the Tinkerer, a riddle hinting at his next target. Constantine and Serafina analyze the riddle, realizing the Tinkerer plans to attack the Grand Clockwork Heart, the central mechanism that powers the city. The Grand Clockwork Heart hums with power, its gears turning in perfect synchronization. The city's lifeblood flows through its intricate mechanisms. The Tinkerer infiltrates the Clockwork Heart, planting explosives near its central gear. His plan is to bring the entire city to a standstill. Serafina and Constantine arrive at the Clockwork Heart, racing against time to stop the Tinkerer. Serafina confronts the Tinkerer just as he's about to detonate the explosives. A fierce battle ensues amidst the towering gears. Constantine attempts to disarm the explosives, his knowledge of clockwork mechanisms put to the test. Serafina gains the upper hand, disarming the Tinkerer and revealing his identity, a disgruntled former employee of the City Watch. Constantine successfully disarms the explosives with seconds to spare, saving the city from destruction. The Tinkerer is taken into custody, his motives revealed. He sought revenge for being unfairly dismissed from a watch. The Grand Clockwork Heart is repaired, its gears once again turning in perfect harmony. The city breathes a collective sigh of relief. Serafina and Constantine stand side by side, watching the Clockwork Heart function flawlessly. Their dedication has saved the city once again. A montage of everyday life returning to normal in the steampunk city. Citizens going about their business, steam-powered vehicles traversing the streets, and the City Watch maintaining order. The camera focuses on a young boy gazing up at the Grand Clockwork Heart with wonder and awe, symbolizing the city's resilience and hope for the future. Constantine closes his pocket watch, a subtle reminder of the constant vigilance required to maintain order in the steampunk city. The final shot is a sweeping panorama of the steampunk city, its gears turning and steam rising, a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of innovation.